All right. I got 15. 11. All right. Yeah. Okay. That other one's 15.
We'll fish over there more.
All right.
Oh, we'll keep these deeper holes.
Ugh. Fish on now.
He bit the bottom lure. Holy cow, look at that. Ate the bottom lure, dude. Completely clobbered the treble hook. Slider hook. Yep. It's a little school down there. Oh, pretty big. Oh, come on. Oh, I got him out, finally. I got 2 out of that school. I think they're gone for me. They're pretty big. These 2 are pretty big. What's still down there? Oh my gosh. I'm still marking them. Oh, hooked up again.
Fishy. Woohoo! Hey, buddy. There are fish.
Oh my gosh, finally. Up and down, up and down. Come and go, come and go. This guy's on fire over there. Oh, come on. Okay. I'm hooked up. He came out to my slider and then he went right back down and I like pushed it and he came right up and ate it. Oh, if I can get my hands on him. Ugh. Oh, get back! Oh, my hands are frozen. I can't reel.
Right through there? Yeah. Oh, that easy, huh? So there's a little something you can feel in there that you can hook.
Yeah, well, yeah, because you can feel where the gills meet.
Yeah?
Right there. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I worked that guy forever. And he just like sat there and then he disappeared. Oh, finally. I had that guy. Oh, you hit my cheek, my shed wrap on the bottom. I was like, I set the hook in the one by. Wow, right in the jigging wrap. Ready. We got a 3-man limit. Derek's getting them ready for pictures. Brandon lost his shield cover. He's marked them. Pretty good outing for Martin Luther King Day off.
Excellent day. And a lot of people commit.
Yeah. He did pretty good. I thought he was gonna eat yours, because mine slider's here and he was sitting up here.
Yeah.
And then next thing I know, there's like weight on there. Oh, there's a fish chasing you, dude. They're like stacked right now. What the hell? Oh, that one's coming up fast. He's gonna eat it.
You're this guy.
You saw how fast that fish came up?
I don't understand you.
He came so fast up and he ate it.